I'm Julian Vasquez Heilig, Professor of Ed Leadership and Policy Studies at Cal State Sacramento. I also serve as the Education Chair for the California NAACP, and I serve on the board of the Network for Public Education. As a scholar, I've studied Teach for America since 2005. Our first peer-reviewed study of TFA, co-authored with Linda Darling-Hammond, who is State Board Education Chair, was entitled, Does Teacher Preparation Matter? Evidence about Teacher Certification, Teach for America, and Teacher Effectiveness. This study is probably the most prominent peer-reviewed study of TFA in the research literature. It's been cited more than 1,200 times. We examined the achievement of students taught by TFA teachers compared to others in a large urban district settings. We found that TFA teachers did not perform better than certified and trained teachers. In my work as a faculty fellow for the National Education Policy Center, I've probably read every single study on Teach for America and student achievement for the last 15 years. While most studies don't show a positive effect of Teach for America, the studies that do find a positive effect typically don't find an effect until the 4th and 5th years, and primarily only in math. But because 85% of TFA teachers are gone by the 4th and 5th years, I think you have to put a big asterisk by those findings. We should reassess the validity of those findings. I also think it's important to say that TFA is not the new civil rights movement as they have claimed in the past. My mother always told me, show me who your friends are, and I'll show you who you are. I think it's notable that the California NAACP, LULAC, our nation's largest African American and Latino civil rights organizations, are supporting this bill. Furthermore, California teachers represented by CFT are also supporting this bill. In conclusion, the California NAACP and the Network for Public Education support parents and other stakeholders who desire a highly qualified teacher for every single student in their neighborhood schools. Thank you.